First things first, I'ma say all the words inside my head. I'm fired up and tired of the way that things have been. Oh, ooh, the way that things have been. Oh, ooh. Second thing second, don't you tell me what you think that I can be. I'm the one at the sea, I'm the master of my sea. Oh, ooh, the master of my sea. Oh, from a young age, taking my soul into the masses, writing my poems for the few that looked at me, took to me, shook to me, feeling me, singing my heartache from the pain, taking my message from the veins, speaking my lesson from the brain.
Tarajust is a city in Morocco. It is located in the region of Gelmi Modnoun, 190 kilometers from Agadir and 75 kilometers from Gelmim, gateway to Dusara. The country of Ibrahim is surrounded by the mountain range called Bani, which is part of the Anti-Atlas. The region is crossed by several dry rivers such as Watsiyad and Wedmate. The climate of the region is semi-Saharan. Rain is rare and the temperature sometimes reaches 48 degrees Celsius in summer. The region is known for its date palms. A celebration is held every October called Celebration of Dates. The oasis is characterized by palm trees as well as many historical attractions. Tablaba Market is one of the largest commercial and economic centers in Tarjust and its environs. The old souk, or what is called locally, is considered the Blaba Market. The largest commercial and economic centers in Tarjust region and its environs, this market was known for its prosperity. The construction of this center dates back to the era of the French Protectorate as a distinguished architectural building and was built on a vast area called Tablaba, bordered on the north side by the Ertz neighborhood and Boumoussi, and the eastern side the Edovian and Dudrer neighborhood, and in the west there is a neighborhood El Boutgijda, and in the south the neighborhood Igern Zugart. The French colonialists mocked the members of the tribe and the neighboring tribes as a working hand in order to compulsorily build this perimeter under the supervision of the French cavalry Baventy, and the construction works of this center were completed in February 1935. Tigmoughlid Historical Monuments in Tarjust is a witness to the strength of her builders, the depth of their urban thinking, and their originality. Dar Sultan, or what is called locally Tigmoughlid, as the tongue of the local Amazigh population, is a fortress standing at a kilometer high on a mountainy peak called Saras, overlooking the Tarjust oasis in the northeast. Tigmoughlid is a historical monument which is considered a great challenge in a harsh environment for centuries It stood on a rigid mountain top overlooking all the low nodes in various directions, posing during questions regarding the construction of this parameter. We invoke two narratives. The first novel links its construction to Al-Marabati time, based on a group of oral accounts and on the filed investigations of Dr. Darsky and Terras during the 20s of the last century during the rule of Ali bin Tashfin, who was known to build fortresses and defensive fortifications to repel Al-Muwahhad attacks. And Dr. Mustafa Naimi confirms these truths, says the Dr. Darsky filed study confirmed to use that we are dealing with a Marabid archaeological teacher.